Hi, Kathryn Hills here from the UPISD Lifespan Program, and today we are going to be making 3-bean salad. This salad calls for fresh green beans. If you don't have fresh, you could use canned or frozen. It also calls for pinto beans, dark red kidney beans, some chopped green pepper, some chopped or sliced onion, and Italian dressing. So with your fresh green beans, you can snip off the ends and then snip them into 1-inch pieces, or you can use my favorite kitchen product, the kitchen shears, in order to cut them into 1-inch pieces. Once you have your green beans cut into 1-inch pieces, you are going to cover them with about a tablespoon of water, maybe a little bit more. Put a microwave safe lid on it and heat it up in the microwave. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Thanks. Okay, we have our green beans all cooked now so that they are tender. And now we're going to add all of our ingredients right into this bowl. This is my favorite bowl because you'll see in a minute. All right, so we're just going to add our green beans, add our pinto beans. Now, beans are a great source of protein and potassium. Protein helps build strong muscles and very important to our bodies. Potassium helps our muscles not to cramp up, along with other jobs as well. Our chopped green pepper, and our slivered onion. Now, right over top of that, we're going to pour our 3/4 cup of Italian dressing. You can use whatever Italian dressing you have on hand, or whatever your favorite is. All right, now we're gonna see why I like this bowl so much. It just has a nice lid that snaps right on. Snap. All right, now we're gonna shake it. You could just stir it up with a spoon, but this is my favorite way to make salads. Gives it a good coating. Now, the instructions say to let it sit either in the refrigerator overnight or at least for 1 hour so that the flavors can blend together. So we're gonna let it sit a little bit before we give it a try. Okay, now that we have let the flavors blend together a little bit, we're going to give it a try. This is what the finished product looks like. It has a lot of great textures. It has the crunchy with the green peppers and the onions, and then the beans are a little bit on the mushy side. It was delicious. Super easy, quite inexpensive to make. I hope you give it a try. Thanks.